Jai Shri Ram. Hi, I have reached here. It is Satbaini Mandir Dham. Okay, so it is in the middle of Cairo and Kudu, but perfectly it is known in Kudu block. So let's see and let's regard pranam to the Satbaini Mata. It's an amazing tourist place, Satbaini Mata. Beautiful and really marvelous. Surrounding this, everywhere there is beauty, can be seen from here and there and near and dear. Let's enjoy this temple, beautiful temple. Yes, this is the Trishul, Tridev, Trishul. And let me touch the bell, the ringing bell. Yes, it's Satbaini Dham. Satbaini Mata Mandir is a temple of, means not formally well temple, I mean say it is naturally situated, and the Lord Shivji appeared everywhere here. In every kankar there is Shankar. Yes, so it is not only a kankar, it is a Vishal kankar. Yes, see, it is a Vishal kankar. Satbaini Mata Mandir, Vishal kankar. Vishal ka Pandit ji is here, our Purohit ji, and lots of things I have to say today. Okay, lots of thoughts are there, like who has created this universe, who has created the world, who has created this universe things. Lots of perceptions are there, but one thing is very clear that you must know. What you know? Brahmaji has created this universe. Yes, in Satyug, crore and crore and crore, a million and billion years ago, where there was no air, there was no wind, there was no water, there was no Agni. At that time, Brahmaji created this beautiful universe. Yes, Brahmaji has created this universe. Parampita Brahma it is called. Huh? In Brahmalok he is situated. He lives in Brahmalok. Lord Brahma, generator of the universe, generator of the Tino Loko, third lok. Means wherever there is the wind, there is a Sanatan. Yes, wherever there is a light, there is Sanatan. Wherever there is Agni, fire, there is Sanatan. Yes. So Lord Brahma, generator of the universe, generator of the entire human being. Yes. Even in the Ravan and Kans also. Yes, Ravan and Kans also the part of the universe, no doubt. Undoubtedly it is true. I accept it, and you have to also accept. In every yuga there is divinity is also, and the what is called it? Devil. Yes. Always there will be devil also, and the same time there will be divine people also, like Brahmaji, Vishnuji, Mahesh, Lord Brahma, the generator, creator, and the O, G is generator, O operator means Palanhar, Lord Vishnuji. Yes, on the Vaikuntha lok, he lives with his counterpart, with his goddess Lakshmi ji, and the Shiv lok, Kailash Parvat. Yes, Lord Mahadeva, Bhagwan Shankar. Yes, these are the three power, divine power, Ishwarya Shaktiya, generator, operator, and the destroyer, God, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Yes, they created it, and they operate very cordially and smartly. There are पंच महाशक्तियाँ in the universe. पंच सनातनी शक्ति. This is called prasad. Yes, नारियल and lychee dana. Yes, it is prasad. I am just
जाते समय बंद कीजिएगा गेट को। हाँ, कहाँ से आए बाबू आप?
कैरो।
कैरो कह रहे हैं?
ब्रह्मा जी, भगवान विष्णु, भगवान शंकर, लॉर्ड रामा, भगवान राम एंड भगवान कृष्ण, दीज आर द पांच महाशक्तियाँ, पंच महाशक्तियाँ इन द वर्ल्ड, इन द यूनिवर्स। पंच महाशक्तियाँ, एज देयर इज पंच तत्व, पंच महाभूत इन द यूनिवर्स, विदाउट पंच तत्व देयर इज नो लाइफ इन द यूनिवर्स। पंच तत्व मीन्स व्हाट? नेचर। इन फेमस वर्ड यू कैन से नेचर इज पंच तत्व। वायु, जल, आकाश, अग्नि, पृथ्वी। दीज आर द वायु, आकाश, अग्नि, पृथ्वी, क्षिति, जल, गगन, पवन, समीरा. It is like this. I am missing some words. Please don't mind it. Don't undermine it. Okay, I am missing some words. Maybe I have got reincarnation. Yes, in Satyuga, Lord Vishnu has taken lots of incarnation. Means 4 main incarnation in the Satyuga. In Treta Yuga, Lord Rama was as by Lord Vishnu. वामन जी, वामन अवतार, परशुराम जी, परशुराम अवतार, दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु जी. यस, इन द्वापर युग द लवली माई आइडियल लॉर्ड कृष्णा जी इन द्वापर युग. दीज आर द इनकारनेशन ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु. So you must know it. What do you know? Sanatan has created the universe. Sanatani has created the universe. The Surya Dev is Sanatani God. Yes, Surya Dev is also Suryavans. In Treta Yuga, Bhagwan Ram was a part of Suryavans. He has he got incarnation in Suryavans. Lots of holy king born in Suryavans. Lord Rama was also among them. Lord Rama, who has given a life lesson, means a hard lesson to the Ravan. Yes, Dasanan. Suryadev is also is a part of भगवान कृष्ण जी. यस, सूर्यदेव. तारों में मैं सूर्य हूँ. भगवान कृष्ण हैज सेड इन द्वापर युग, तारों में मैं सूर्य हूँ. तो सूर्य इज ऑल्सो लॉर्ड कृष्णा जी. यस, सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग लाइट, यू आर गेटिंग एनर्जी, यू आर गेटिंग सनशाइन, मीन्स यू आर गेटिंग सनातन. यू आर टेकिंग ब्रीथ हवा इज ऑल्सो लॉर्ड कृष्णा जी. यस, हवा, एयर, विंड, पानी, जल, लॉर्ड कृष्णा जी. चंद्र, in Dwapar Yuga, Lord Krishna ji born in Chandravansh. Yes, has taken incarnation in Chandravansh. So Chandradev is also a part of Lord Krishna ji. My ideal Lord Bhagwan ji, Lord Krishna ji. What I mean to say, there is no life without Sanatan in the universe. सन इज सनातन, पानी इज सनातन, हवा इज सनातन, सूर्य प्रकाश इज सनातन, चंद्र प्रकाश इज सनातन, चंद्र इज सनातन, चंद्रदेव इज सनातन, चंद्रमा इज सनातन. द पीपल हु गेट फास्ट उपवास करते हैं ना, एंड सीइंग द चंद्रदेव है ना, सीइंग द चंद्रमा, चंद्रमा like this chandrama, and they broke their means upwas. Yes, it is called upwas na, fast. By seeing the face of chandrama, they पारण उपवास तोड़ते हैं वो लोग चंद्रमा देख करके. By seeing the चंद्रमा, you are seeing the Lord Rama. आप चंद्रमा को देख करके उपवास तोड़ते हैं, तब भगवान राम को देख करके उपवास तोड़ते हैं, भगवान कृष्ण को देख करके उपवास तोड़ते हैं. चंद्रमा को देख करके यदि कोई उपवास तोड़ता है, कोई अपना फास्टिंग तोड़ता है, कोई पारण करता है, चाहे वो दूज का चांद हो या करवा चौथ का चांद हो, तो भगवान राम को देखता है. ही सी द भगवान राम, लॉर्ड रामा, लॉर्ड कृष्णा जी. बिकॉज रामचंद्र मीन्स चंद्र, चंद्रवंश मीन्स कृष्ण. सो यू आर सीइंग चंद्रमा ऑन द स्काई, दैट इज द लॉर्ड रामा एंड लॉर्ड कृष्णा जी, लॉर्ड कृष्णा जी. Lots of things are coming on the path. Time will, it will gradually things will come, na. All of sudden thing doesn't happen in the world. Time, it takes times, it takes time. Gradually when the people walk on their journey, they will get the destination. So there is no destination in the world, in the universe. The destination is humanity, mankind, human being, huh? धर्म की जय हो, यू नो व्हाट कॉल्ड सनातनी, धर्म की जय हो. नोट सनातनी नेवर सेड हमारा ही जय हो ना, कभी नहीं. सनातनी नेवर सेड हमारा ही जय हो ना. सनातनी सेड धर्म की जय हो, अधर्म का सर्वनाश हो. दीज आर द थॉट्स ऑफ वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. संसार में किसने कहा है, आप ही बताओ. पूरा संसार मेरा परिवार है. वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, दिस इज द होली थॉट ऑफ सनातन, द होली थॉट ऑफ सनातनी. ऑल आर सेइंग मेरा ही भला हो, मेरा ही धर्म का विस्तार हो, हम ही खून खराबा करेंगे, हम ही मार मिट करेंगे, हम ही जमीन कब्जा करेंगे, हम ही देश लुटेंगे, हम ही कत्लेआम करेंगे, हम ही मंदिर तोड़ेंगे. बट द सनातनी नेवर डू दिस. माइंड इट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. सनातनी नेवर डू दिस. Sanatan are the peace, the calm, the harmony, the beauty of thought, the beauty in the behave, the beauty in the nature, the beauty in the execution of life. So mind it what I am saying. The last things I am saying. Lord Brahma ji created the entire universe, entire Tinolok. Lord Vishnu ji means palanhar, sanchalan karta, and Lord Shiva, Bhagwan Shankar ji, doing the things you're doing right or not. If you're not doing right, go to hell. Yes, Lord Shankar ji, destroyer. These three vital part of Sanatan Dharma, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and two also, don't forget it. Lord Rama ji, Lord Krishna ji, means these are the five Mahashaktiyan, Panch Mahashaktiyan. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Sri Ram, Sri Krishna ji, these are the Panch Mahashaktiyan who is always in every walk of human being, whether it is A, B, C, X, Y or Z. You are the part of Sanatan. This is the Sanatan world. This is the new universe. This is the new universe order that is being started right now from the Satbahini Mandir. Yes. Time will come. Lots of good time is coming. Yes. In the golden era, golden age, Swarnim Yug. Beautiful time coming. Wonderful journey has started in 2025. And it will next 10,000 years or 20,000 years or next yuga, it will shine, it will sunshine in the every step of human being. Thank you. Yes, thank you. And bye. And smile please. New things are coming on your path. Wait it. Huh? Thank you.